Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Dilated. Friends, today in this video I again came with a product review. Let me unbox my package. Friends, before getting into the video, I have a small request from you. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe me and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload any new video, you'll get notified first. And yeah, here is my package. It's from Butterfly electric kettle of 1.5 liter, which comes with 1 year of warranty. Outer box is covered by cardboard cover with the brand Butterfly, and this is how it looks. 1500 watt powerful. And here the features has been given as capacity is equals to 1.5 liter stainless steel kettle, new modern design with filter water level scale, heat resistant plastic handle, on and off switch, indicator light, safety cutoff, etc. AC 230 volt, 50 Hz and 1500 watt. And in the top of the box here it's been given as it is of 1285 bucks, but I got this for approx 500 to 600 on Amazon, and I suggest you to buy in some kind of season sale where you'll get discount. At the end of the video I gonna give demo also, so please do watch my video if you are interested. A warranty card from Butterfly. The capacity is 1.5 liter of medium size. You'll also get large size also. And this is the coil. And here is my kettle, which comes with silver and black in color with lock. As I said you before, it comes with water level scale, on and off switch, indicator light and safety cutoff, that is automatic cutoff. And the wire is also from Butterfly. This product is ergonomically designed, handy to use. Let me show you the wire length. It's not too long or not too short. It's okay. And this is how it looks when I plugged into the socket. And guys, this kettle is ideal for boiling milk, preparing hot coffee or tea. Even you guys can boil egg, or you can also prepare Maggi. So I have filled 3/4 amount of water to test to give you a demo. Now let me plug on. I on the switch in socket, thereby kettle button, that is kettle switch button, and it is indicated by red in color. And now the water starts boiling, and when it reach at the highest temperature, when the flames come, then it will be automatically switched off. So I will show that. It takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to get automatically switch off. Due to the excess of heat or flame, you can just observe the flames over there. And just observe, now it will get switch off, as you can see. I think it's best kettle according to the price and quality. If you guys wish to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once. Hope you guys like this video, and thank you so much guys.